How to turn off Google Photos Sync on Android. Is Google Photos automatically backing up your pictures, and you want to stop it? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Photos Sync on your Android phone. I'll also show you how to stop the app from accessing your photos completely. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Google Photos. First, open the Google Photos app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Tap your profile picture. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture to open your Google Photos account menu. Step 3. Open Google Photos Settings. From the menu, tap Google Photos Settings. Step 4. Open Backup Settings. Now tap Backup to view your backup and sync settings. Step 5. Turn Backup off. You'll see the backup toggle at the top of the screen. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once it's disabled, Google Photos will stop automatically uploading new photos and videos to your Google account. Step 6. Confirm Backup is disabled. The backup switch should now appear off, confirming that automatic photo syncing has been disabled. Step 7. Open Settings. Go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Step 8. Open Google Photos Permissions. Navigate to Apps, then Google Photos, and tap Permissions. Open the Photos and Videos permission. Step 9. Remove Photo Access. Select Don't Allow to prevent Google Photos from accessing your photos and videos on your device. Keep in mind that if you remove this permission, Google Photos won't be able to view or back up your media until you grant access again. That's it. You've successfully turned off Google Photos Sync and, if you chose, completely blocked the app from accessing your photos. Follow for more tech tips.